Hey, it's Dave from Libsyn, and like it or not, with podcasting, they kind of see you before they hear you. And before you go thinking, oh no, I've got to turn myself into a graphic artist, Libsyn now integrates with Canva. It's amazing. When you're in a new episode, you'll see there's a spot there where you can just click on the Canva button, and it will launch Canva and automatically go to the section that has podcast cover art. You can pick a template and tweak it all you want. You can add pictures, change the color, add text, remove text, whatever it is. It's super easy to just click, drag, change, and then when you're ready, click publish. But what if you click publish and you go, oh, wait a minute, this says episode 16, it's supposed to be 17. Click back on the Canva button, make your changes, click publish, and it goes right back into your Libsyn episode. You are going to look amazing and go, wait, did I just make that? Yeah, you did with Canva.